Good morning, folks. This is Vicky Sajnani. Welcome to Quantsapp. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,220 is where we shut shop on Nifty 50 futures, minus 232 points, minus 1.33%. 39,780 is where we shut shop on Nifty Bank futures, 834 points down. 2%, close to 2% drop in Nifty Bank futures where we shut shop. Let's see where the SGX Nifty is pointing to this morning. It's pointing to a 31-point gain as we speak. I think we are going to open up close to 17,230 thereabouts. So let's see what the charts have to say. Well, major support zone is 17,000. And of course, 16,927 is pointed out as a support zone here. And 16,800 would be the next major level. So 17,000 and 16,800, one could take as the two pivotal levels on the lower side. On the higher side, 17,800, 18,000 are the two major levels. The beach mein 17,500 are a psychological level. But 17,800, 18,000 are the two major levels on the higher side. देखा जाए तो पूरा shorts built up हो रहे हैं लगातार. So there has been a string of shorts which have been built up continuously. So let's see how that evolves during the day because the bear pressure is still on as such. Looking at the options open interest, 17,000 and 16,800 are the two major levels on the lower side. 17,000 here. Put OI, considering the put OI, and 16,800 is the next major one. On the higher side, we are seeing 17,400, 17,500 as the major level as far as call OI is concerned as such. But there is a concentration of resistances all across because there is substantial open interest on different strikes. So you have 17,800, 17,600, 500, all having substantial strikes. I mean, the OI is substantial over there. And of course, 18,000 is another litmus test on the higher side. Bank Nifty. Well, what do I say? 39,500, 39,000, 38,520, major levels on the lower side. On the higher side, what we are seeing is 40,000, 4,500, 41,800, 43,072. So these are the major levels on the higher side. You are seeing a shorts coming in into Bank Nifty also. आप short ही देख रहे हैं, built up होते हुए. So let's see how the options open interest is positioned. 40,500, 41,000, supports being 39,500 and 39,000 major levels on the put OI. Top gainers and losers: Tech Mahindra, McDowell, Apollo Hospital, IndusInd Bank, AU Bank, PEL, top losers of the day. Well, a lot of these features are available once you sign in on the essential option features are available once you sign in on Quantsapp. One of the iCards would pop up on the right-hand corner, which would help you in signing up for the tools as such. The essential tools are free, but there are some additional tools which will come at a cost. But the essential tools, I repeat, are free as such. So you could sign up. iCard could pop up on the right-hand corner. So you are seeing index contribution, 68 points negative contribution from private banks, 32 points negative contribution from oil. IT also contributed 28 points negative. All the sectors on the red, in the red. So negative contribution across all sectors. So you had NBFC 24.25 points negative contribution. So we are seeing none in the long sectorally. PSU Bank, cement, auto on the short side. Auto ancillary, cap goods, FMCG, long unwinding end. So on the short covering end also, we are not seeing any stocks. So much of the sectoral bias was all on the negative side, with short and long unwinding taking the stance. Okay. So we have Godrej Properties, 1100 and 1068 happen to be the major levels on the lower side. 1190, 1221 major levels on the higher side. देखा जाए तो open interest angle से मिला जुला रुके, it's a mixed bag over here, but shorts are coming in. So let's see how that evolves. So you have 1300, which is having a substantial call OI. 1200 also has a reasonable call OI. Supports being 1100 and 1000. So as far as put OI is concerned, the other stock on the radar is Tata Chemicals. Support zone 950 and 914 are the two major supports on the lower side. Upri hisse mein 1020, 1045 are the resistance. So 950 breakdown, we could see some pressure on this counter. You're seeing the swing bottom also out there. So 950 breakdown is something which you keep a watch on. So here you have a mixed bag actually as far as options, as far as futures OI is concerned. On the options front, 1000 and 1100 are the major levels. On the lower side, we are seeing 950 and 900 as the major levels on the lower side. As I pointed out, that 950 is going to be the litmus test for Tata Chemicals. GNFC is a security in the ban list. Possible entrants would be India Bull Housing Finance. Before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before trading in derivatives. And also please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. So we discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty, sectoral long built up none, and short built up sectorally was PSU Bank, Cement, Auto, Godrej Properties and Tata Chemicals, both bias having a negative bias as such. So we discussed about 950 over here as for Tata Chemicals as a major support zone. Similarly for Godrej Properties, I think 1100, 1110 would be the major support zone on the lower side. Ban list, GNFC. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.